we're gonna try making images using AI. So we're gonna use ChatGPT, or we're gonna use DALL-E and DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3, and we're gonna because it is a part of an OpenAI source system as ChatGPT is, so they are both integrated, and we're gonna go in the ChatGPT and see if we can make images using the DALL-E. So here you guys can see that I'm on the main page of the ChatGPT, and here I'm gonna go ahead and give it a prompt to the ChatGPT to create the best image. First thing first, I'm gonna go and use ChatGPT to create a prompt for ChatGPT to create an image for. So so here you guys can see that I have given a prompt to the ChatGPT to create a prompt for image that should look like a part of Cyberpunk 2077 game. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt and give a prompt to the ChatGPT. So here you guys can see that I have given the prompt to the ChatGPT to create an image that should look like a Cyberpunk game. And this image definitely looks like it is a part of a Cyberpunk game. The map, the texture, the lights, and everything resembles the Cyberpunk game. So that's how you can create an image using a ChatGPT for your personal use. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.